everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. The much hyped up season of love is here. While many consider planning this day with a romantic dinner, I as a toddler mom really want this day to myself just to create a clutter-free space. You all know how it's impossible to have one when you have a toddler around. This clutter-free space just helps me feel rejuvenated and also gives me some me time to enjoy doing things that I really love. So if you want this Valentine's Day to be about loving yourself, then jump on in and let's get rolling. The best way to pep myself up is to enjoy a warm cup of soothing tea or the Indian chai. Even my tea time is never peaceful, so doing this all by myself helps me slow down, and honestly, tea makes everything better. I'm a tea lover for life, so enjoying this drink without distractions makes it a perfect moment of silence and bliss. Clearing all the negativity from my head, I think, is the best forms of self-care. Being mindful and meditating or doing dhyana, especially at the start of my day, helps bring awareness to what is more important. There are numerous apps to guide you through the process. I have been doing these guided meditations over the past month now and have been loving it. Flowers are an instant mood booster for me. There is something about fresh flowers that brings a smile on my face. Picking out flowers, arranging them into bouquets and placing them at different corners in the house just adds the aesthetic, brightens the mood and brings in a sense of freshness. Pairing them with accent pieces and candles just adds the extra aroma and creates an ambience for me to feel relaxed. Whether it's coloring, painting, DIYing, or even watering plants around the house, these activities will help the mind indulge in something other than your normal routine. I think it's also a great form of relaxation. Just de-stressing with these activities is definitely a great way to be mindful and decrease stress. A great way to detoxify and feel refreshed at home is to enjoy a facial. If you haven't tried using a tea bag for a facial, you really have missed out on its goodness. Try this botanical steam at home. Just empty out your favorite tea bag, add in some dried rose petals or even herbs like chamomile or lavender if you have any at home. Add some water and just enjoy the steam. All you need is a good 5 minutes to enjoy the steam and then following it up with a scrub. I am using a mixture of sugar, baking soda, honey and coconut oil. Finally, a face pack or a sheet mask of your choice to bring back the glow. It's amazing how these tiny things boost self-confidence. There is nothing like enjoying some me time and having a spa day at home. I think with so much going on in our lives, it's important to just pamper oneself and relax. Even if I want to have a luxurious spa day, it just becomes impossible. So just decorating your own bathroom with some flowers and candles, using some homemade bath bombs if you can, and enjoying a glass of wine brings in a sense of calm and rejuvenation. Following it up with a DIY scrub, which is my go-to to keep my skin soft and supple. Painting your nails or just even getting ready after just brings in the satisfaction. Tranquility right at the comfort of my home. These things are definitely my go-to recipe for a day of self-care. We all enjoy a good story, whether it's in the form of a book, movie, or just somebody sharing their experiences. Immersing myself in a story in the form of reading or watching a movie helps me connect with people who are completely strangers. It's like getting lost in a world that I'm not familiar with, and that really helps me drift away from the daily grind. There are so many ways to do this at the comfort of your home that will help you unwind and relax. Cooking is an everyday word that I detest, but indulging in making some mouth-watering delicacies that I do not get to eat often is something that I enjoy. Whether it's taking out your favorite meal or just cooking at home, it's important to nourish the body with the food that you've been craving. Here are some chocolate cups for dessert. Tune out. In this day and age, being busy has started sounding fancy. I think as parents or even as individuals, we're all running unnecessary marathons. Even if we're not doing anything, we're constantly connected with our digital world. So I decided to unplug, unwind, and enjoy the simple joys of life. Make sure you sit back with your feet up and enjoy the calmness that surrounds. Music really soothes the soul. There is nothing better than tuning into the sounds that you can relate to. I think it becomes a form of expression to speak in silence. Whether I'm at home or driving, music is something that I really enjoy. I feel like it brings joy to so many and connects people with just one single emotion. I think whether you're a parent or not, it's important for all of us to sit back and stop madly running in a squirrel cage of activity. These self-care habits are curated to my preferences because they bring in a sense of calm to me. So feel free to do things that really refresh you. Of course, you can do it all at once or you can ease into it one day at a time. But trust me, these little things definitely will lighten your mood and help you feel rejuvenated. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please do take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all once again for stopping by. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.